Look at this, guys. Good morning. I'm already 1.2 miles in for the day. All uphill. Surprise, surprise. It's very muggy. You can probably see the sweat. It's 62 degrees already. It didn't thunder and lightning last night like it said it was going to, so it's still muggy. Papa Smurf left early this morning. Luke and I left at the same time, but he's faster on the hills and the bugs are out. So I think in another 2 miles, there's a spot where we can get off and climb Mount Cammerer, which will add another 1.2 miles on for the day. But we're headed, sorry for all the huffing and puffing, I have to keep moving because of the bugs. We're headed to Standing Bear Hostel. We have some boxes to pick up there, and then I have no idea where we're staying. We didn't talk about that far ahead, so I'm gonna get up here to Mount Cammerer and see how I feel, if I want to do that extra 1.2 and go from there. But there's supposed to be a really cool tower, so fire tower, so I'm hoping to get up there. So just as a recap, this is the last day in the Smokies. We're actually over our permit because we went into town for a couple nights. We had to zero for the day. Where was that? One of the shelters because of the big rain. It was cold rain. And then we had the snow. So, and we're finally making it out of the Smokies once we reach Davenport Gap. All right, I have decided to hit the Mount Cammerer trail. 0.6 up. I've stashed my bag in the woods along with Luke's. He's already headed up. And let's go see what this fire tower is all about. They say it's really pretty. If you're wondering how humid it is, this is me. I am soaked, drenched, and I stink. What a bonus. Oh my gosh, do you know how much easier it is and faster to hike without a backpack on? It's nice not to have 30 pounds on your back. You can go so much faster and so much more agile. Maybe we've got some slack packing in the future. Had a gross jump out in front of me. I don't see it now. No. I hear it, but I don't see it. Okay. This is the top of the trail. It's all rock. I see it. Almost there. This is the view from Mount Cammerer before I get to the fire tower, which is up there. I'll go outside and show you the view, but this is pretty cool. 5.2 miles down to Davenport Gap. Let's go. Let's get another new flower. What am I craving today? I cannot wait to get a Coca-Cola and a shower. Those are my two main wants today. I've reached Davenport Gap shelter. That's the last shelter in the Smokies. I'm not going to go down there. It's a ways down. And I think it's the last shelter that actually has any cage around it for protection from the bears. Hallelujah, I am out of the Smokies. Oh, goodbye. I am out of the Smokies. Thank goodness. It was beautiful, but I probably won't do it again. Just saying. The last 2 days were the easiest days. But we just had a lot of weather to contend with while we were there, which I'm sure will continue with the trail. But so the end of the Smokies, that was Davenport Gap. I just crossed the road there and sat and talked to another through hiker for a second from Alabama. Car stopped. I was really hoping for trail magic, but I just wanted to talk about fishing. I was hoping for something cold to drink because my one thing that I always make sure I have is enough water. And today, where it's so muggy, I'm low. So I only have like a mouthful of water left. And I have 2.6 more miles to get to Standing Bear. So I think there is some water on this trail, though, prior to the end. So I'm going to grab some there. Come out to these big power lines. Not much of a view, but better than none, I guess. Yes, found some water. Nice. Beautiful. You got the stream. There's pretty flowers everywhere. Oh, here's a new one. I don't know what that is. Focus. Probably some poison ivy in here too. I had to guess. And since I have never seen poison ivy before, I'm gonna stay away from all this. All I know is it's got 3 leaves, but there's a lot of plants that have 3 leaves. A little bit of road walking over, I think this is Pigeon River, if I'm not mistaken. I'll show it to you when I get up closer to it. Pigeon River. Following the white blazes still on here. Oh, the shade feels good. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. My sleeves are soaked.
Damn. You start calling you alien, you got them long arms.
And then we have Pink. So I am at Standing Bear. I was just over there a moment ago. They have a stream that runs the whole way here along here that I am going to soak my feet in. And then they have this little tree house. That's 2 rooms. And that's Cheetos set up. And I'm going to tent right here on this luscious lawn. And it's flat. That's even better. We've got some roosters, hens. Maybe that means fresh eggs in the morning. Electric fence, so can't get in too close. I don't know what's in here. Oh, we got goats. Hi, bud. Hi. Yeah, and then this is their house. And they have lunch, dinner, breakfast, if you want it. This is the way we do laundry on trail. Our dirty socks until there's no more brown water. The old-fashioned way.
Look at Granny on the wash.
Yeah.
Get shot in the eye.
I know what I'm talking about. Here you go. Look at that perfect. All right, hold on. Let me get ready. You can't cheat. Hold on.
Hey man, I'm sorry, you know, and all this.
Go.
Like, not even thinking about his left hand being a danger. So, but he, you know, but still, my senses are up, and I think you can tell that because he didn't attack.
Well, alcohol abuse.
Flip flops too.
Had some quitters here too. Horseshoes in the tree. Having a spaghetti dinner in my tent by myself because the bugs are out.